to Deliciously Day. From cuisine to jellyfish. And things that we eat.
Yep.
Here's Redmond. Today we're going to talk about Play-Doh. We can stir it. Yep, stir it. This is Chef Redmond. He is our head chef. His famous slogan was, "It's all in the dough." So, what we're doing today is Redmond added 1 cup of baking soda, 1.5 cups of cornstarch, 3/4 of a cup of water, and we had kneaded, and then we added food coloring. Redmond added 20 drops of food coloring to make apple green.
2 drops of blue.
And over here, we are making scones.
Yeah, I need those.
So far we've added butter.
8 tablespoons
8
of
tablespoons
butter.
of butter.
Casein-free butter.
And 2 cups of flour.
Okay.
But this is my recipe, and over here's Redmond's. So, well, that's all for today.
Well, how are we going to finish this Play-Doh?
Well, Redmond, you gotta stir it. Stir.
Well, we got to cook it, cool it, and then we have to turn it into Play-Doh.
All right. Yep. And that's Deliciously Day.
Oh.
That's dirty.
And that's
Yeah, all those
Deliciously Day.
spoons have sunk.
And that's our Deliciously Day. From cuisine to jellyfish. Look at all these spoons that got dirty. From that. Look at all these spoons.